Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are doing stew peas and jasmine rice. Stew peas with turkey neck. Oh my goodness, this was so delicious. Oh yummy guys, I can tell you. So you can see the carrots and you can see the sweet pepper and the peas, some Irish potato in it also, and the turkey neck. Coconut milk will be going in it. Cock soup is in it already. Putting in some spinners. Oh my goodness, Kelly and thyme. Butter. Guys, this was so delicious. The one for them bananas. Five, 2 piece dumpling and then we got it. We're not going to do for them just okay. Can't I? Sure enough. So Peter just gonna fling the wee. Don't even ever see it. The fling it on them. Don't move. Wow. Look at that. And all the steam. Look at that. Look at that. I don't need that cooking. I need that like one stone. So Junior is mixing the coconut milk in some of his stew peas gravy or water. And I'm making some more spinners over here. Jeez. That smells good. No time I teach it. That smells good. Mm-hmm. That was weird. Okay. That was like oats. Yeah, man, I was to the soup. Mix it up. Picking up oats in the something. No, mix out the soup. No, you're gonna use your hot water for. Yeah, hot water mix out it with that show there with still be something. Hey boy. Okay, Sean. I mix up together. Don't move, don't move. Yeah, man. So dumplings in a still piece. Yeah? Yeah. Damn. I pressed down. Look what that there, Sean. Goodness, guys. Yeah, cracking up here because I was doing this video and I'm seeing the dumplings and I'm like, wow, these dumplings are huge and they're supposed to be spinners. Yeah, there's some big ass spinners in the pot. Anyways, guys, now I'm putting some flour paste in it to give it some thickness. Yep, this is looking so lovely already, guys. So delicious. Stay tuned. I didn't take off your pencil, by the way. I just noticed that. It's alright. Try to dry down. The pepper. You put butter in it? I haven't put some butter in it. Hmm? The brownie rice is good, don't you? plate. Right, strain of rice too. Mm-hmm.
Mommy, I say I just put it down for a while ago and the water turned grey.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. The stew beans is ready. And the rice is ready. Dinner is ready. I'm gonna share this out now. Share your plate and show you. So, guys, when we're doing the the turkey neck, we pressure the turkey neck separate um from the peas. Pressure the peas separate. Pressure the turkey neck separate. Yeah, and we had to brown dressing. We had to brown the turkey neck first. You know, and all of that. Get it all, make it own gravy and all of that. And then we put some water in it and pressure it. And then we add the peas to the turkey neck and put in our stuff, our seasoning, our potato, carrots, scallion, thyme, hot pepper, coconut milk and cock soup and salt and all of that and a jerk powder to season. And then that is that. And we also put some spinners in it. Yep. Guys, this smells so good, I can tell you. Alright guys, stay tuned. No guys, seriously. Can you tell me why my husband put the tomato like there's two eyes over there so watching me in my plate? Why my plate look like two eyes watching me? No, I'm scared to eat.
Bless meal, Heavenly Father, that we are about to eat, and please let it be beneficial to our bodies. Provide for those who are in need and bless them in your precious name we pray. Amen. I think we should try the juice first.
Why? Too cold? Nobody can eat food again?
Everyone that will be able to.
White one.
It's just good fun.
I wonder why my
It just
ear
tastes good
can't
too.
fit.
Why this time with your head? Just don't eat like that.
Those ones.
You're gonna mess up yourself.
That barely makes me cold.
Just put a plate up to you. Tastes nice, don't you?
Yes, it's good.
My teeth are cold.
You alright, Jonah? You like dumpling, Mario?
Yeah.
Mm.
I also want dumpling.
You have to eat everything first and get more done.
That's good. Run for that one then.
Every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we could see it new. I wanna let you go, nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two. Tell me, baby, what do you say? 'Cause we were just friends, and now something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I guess in the we're only friends. But I guess in the we're only friends. I just want you under the lights. I just want you when it's my time. I just want you breaking my stride. I just want